Introducing FastTest Smart Connection Verification Technology for pneumatically actuated FE and FI connectors. Leak testing systems without connection verification are prone to wasteful rework throughout the testing process. This entire process is a waste of time and money. Fortunately, with FastTest connection verification technology, that waste can be eliminated. Connection verification-enabled connectors alert operators that something has changed in the setup prior to running the first leak test. The ability to identify an issue before testing starts prevents unnecessary inspections and reduces the associated production downtime. Connection verification technology can be used to improve the efficiency of several applications. Identify part presence or no product states in pick-and-place operations. Validate manual operator actions in benchtop leak test stations. Remove pre-programmed delays and automatically trigger next actions in automated leak test cells. Eliminate other expensive components that provide the same functionality in packaging and filling systems. An embedded sensor provides the connection status of each and every FE or FI in your test cell. This allows manufacturing personnel to immediately identify problem connections without having to check each connector individually, lowering overall diagnostic time. Contact FastTest to order your connection verification-enabled FE or FI quick connector. Be confident in your connection.